Hello guys, Gorilla here, and today we are diving into a game changer for every crypto trader watching this. If you are tired of trading a tiny account and making pennies, listen up. We are talking about Mubite, a crypto prop firm that's literally handing out up to $1 million in funding. It's time to stop trading your own rent money and start trading like a whale. So let's start with the video. Mubite is a EU-based firm specializing especially in crypto prop trading. They've partnered up with Bybit for liquidity, which means you get 100% leverage and professional grade spreads. And the best part, they offer a 90% profit split. Most firms take a massive cut, but Mubite lets the traders keep the lion's share of the gains. They have 3 ways to get into a funding account. First, the 2-step challenge, where you prove your consistency for the lowest entry fee. Second, the 1-step challenge, for the aggressive traders who want to move fast. And finally, instant funding. There are no evaluations and no tests. You pay the fee, you get the capital, and you start trading live crypto immediately. This is the ultimate shortcut if you already know what you're doing. Now don't think this is a fee launch. To stay funded, you have to manage your risk. They have clear daily drawdown and total drawdown rules. If you hit those limits, you are out. But if you're disciplined, their dashboard makes it easy to track your progress and see exactly when you can withdraw those profits. With over $500,000 already paid out to traders, Mubite is proving they are the real deal. If you got a winning strategy, but you're held back by a small bankroll, this is your bridge to the big leagues. You can check out the link in my description below to see the funding tiers. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.